Welcome to our ultimate comparison of two popular dash cams, the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dash cam and the DELLFY dash cam. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and value for money to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The PRUVEEO dash cam features a unique 4-channel system that captures a complete 360-degree view around your vehicle, providing comprehensive coverage. In contrast, the DELLFY dashcam offers a simpler 2-channel setup with front and rear cameras, which may be sufficient for most drivers but lacks the all-around visibility of the PRUVEEO. When it comes to video quality, the DELLFY dashcam takes the lead with its impressive 4K front recording and 2.5K rear recording capabilities, ensuring crystal clear footage. Meanwhile, the PRUVEEO dashcam records at 1080p, which, while decent, does not match the high-resolution output of the DELLFY. The PRUVEEO dashcam comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing for location tracking and speed monitoring, which can be invaluable in case of an incident. On the other hand, the DELLFY dashcam does not include GPS functionality, which may be a drawback for users who value this feature. In conclusion, the PRUVEEO dashcam is ideal for those seeking comprehensive coverage with its 360-degree view and built-in GPS, albeit at a higher price. The DELLFY dashcam, while more affordable, offers excellent video quality and user-friendly features. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.